Sawdust Saloon offers fun, dancing, and great drinks for folks of any age. Join us for karaoke on Wednesdays, Throwback Thursdays. Enjoy live music every Friday night and Saturday night. Everyone knows about Sawdust Saturday nights. Plus, Friday and Saturday, step outside for a party on the patio with our live DJ spinning the best hip-hop, pop, and dance. Sawdust Saloon. Dancing, fun, games, great drinks, and the area's prettiest shot girls. The Sawdust Saloon, Finette Road, just west of Cardinal Drive in Beaumont.